Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Sananur Rahman and today the topic of our discussion is the integumentary system. We'll be covering the integumentary system in 5 separate headings or 5 different topics. We have the epidermis, the dermis, the hypodermis, the epidermal derivatives and functions of the skin. In epidermis, we will be talking about the epidermis, the melanocytes, the dendritic cells, and the tactile cells. In dermis, we will be talking about the dermis, its composition, the dermal-epidermal junction, and the basement membrane. In hypodermis, we'll be talking about the subcutaneous tissue, also known as the hypodermis, the vessels, and the sensory receptors. In epidermal derivatives, we'll be talking about hairs, nails, and glands. Glands would include sweat and sebaceous glands. In functions of the skin, we'll take a look at different functions of the skin, which are divided into 5 separate categories: the protective function, the sensory function, the thermoregulatory function, the metabolic function, and the sexual signaling. I hope you're excited to learn more about this. Please keep watching sqadia.com.